welcome back to a brand new video. We are playing Press the Button 4, and we hope you have a wonderful time. So we need to find the button. I fell off. I literally fell off.
Find the missing four
gears
to fix the button. What's gears?
Button has been repaired. Run, run, run.
Why don't you run?
Because you want us to run. Why do we run? I need to run.
With that is a fire. If there is a fire, you need to stay still.
No, that's not true.
I know. What? Oh my god, oops.
Bad weather? Oh no.
What is,
Oh, I pressed the button.
well done.
I'm just standing in one place.
I'm gonna stand behind you.
Sasha. Look what happened to my finger. Oh, someone's standing on my head. Well, kind of on my head. Oh, this is easy.
Get to the other side. No, like that.
I was the first one to make it. I was the only one. I think right now. You died?
Yeah.
You did?
Yep.
Man.
Find the hole in the wall.
Oh!
That's right.
Reach the end.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh. That's cool. This card. People are just standing.
No! Couldn't make it. I couldn't make it out alive. Yay!
Woohoo! I understand. What?
Hurry.
Hurry, push the ice. Oh.
Quick!
Come.
Oh, we are froze. Please, you'll be
Built the snowman. Why do we need to build a snowman?
'cause we want to.
I don't.
Well, too bad you have to.
That's weird.
Okay. Did one of them. I got the first piece. I think I got the head. Oh, what? What was
Wait,
that?
no, I
all
saw
about?
someone. 'Cause 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 '
can't do it. Oh my god. Oh, oops. Oh, we didn't do it in time. Watch out. Someone has a bomb. Oh, okay, they exploded. Big brain. Where did my hair go? Why is my head on top of my hair? Get ready.
One second.
Can't see when everyone's head is in my way. Okay, that was a scary one.
Why do I need to work with a big head?
Okay.
I really don't want to fall.
Same. Let's just hope we don't.
Fall.
Oh, I made it.
Really?
Yay.
How am I meant to do this?
Oh, you were too late. You were too late, so it got flooded.
Do I need to just press it?
Oh.
You still have a big head.
Actually,
Why are we so slow?
oh. Ah!
We can't jump.
Yeah, we can't jump.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna die.
I didn't die, I made it.
Oh my god. Why is the dog?
Fight. I don't want to.
I want to fight.
I don't want
Get
to.
me.
I'm running away.
Running to the darkness.
Oh, there's only 2 people now. That man. No, the last person is hunting me. No, me fight back.
Okay, this.
Acid.
What?
I have an idea, but I don't know if I will reach it in time. Oh, I didn't have to.
Okay.
Oh, bricks. What?
Jump on
the logs. Oh, okay. I didn't jump. Oof. 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 No! Oof. 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 Perfect timing. I see. No. Someone already? Oh, it's kind of. No!
that big log.
Okay. Oh! Jeez, there. Can you just stop dying?
Who?
Me.
I thought you.
No. Okay, just go. No! You almost made it. Oh, stand clear.
I think it's going crazy. I think I'm going crazy, bro.
Oh man.
She's running around, you know. What should I do this? That's not good. That's not good.
What?
That's not good.
Can you just stop?
Wow.
Because you're annoying me.
Well.
So I should be like, well, I won't.
Found is a ghost.
What?
Found is a ghost.
Reach the top.
Reach the top. What? Oh. That's what.
What? I jumped over it. Did I?
Woohoo!
No one cares. Please don't fall. That's just unfair. Oh, I won. It's a present. Reach the exit. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And I won. Kind of. Money. Oh, my money. Dropping all my money. Okay, catch the presents.
How am I meant to catch them?
Yay. Three? What? I have 3.
I have 0.
Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Okay.
Oof.
Why am I catching?
I have 4.
Okay, I have 1.
Oh, I won.
I have 1. I'm happy that I have 1. Ooh.
Don't fall off the building. Is this even a building?
Don't fall on the building.
Oh, I fell off.
I fell off too. Don't fall on the building. When done, baby shark, do 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 do, baby.
That was so random.
Baby
Just get away.
shark.
Don't. Oh,
What? Why?
survive the fight. Oh, and now we don't get to play the next round.
Why?
I don't get to.
Why?
I just don't get to. Tell me when the next round is.
Okay. We're about to start It's about to stop, Vera. Take cover under the what?
Umbrella. You called me late. Now I died. You called me when it already started.
Vera!
What?
Stop. At least I called you.
I don't care. I still died.
What is that thing?
I don't care. I know what it is. Oh, it just fell on my head. Don't make it fall on my head. I was the one who pressed. What? Oh my god. How is that fair? Okay, it's lagging.
There's no fair. I never really pressed the button.
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh. It was the right one. Oh, reach the. Oh, that's easy.
Right.
What?
That's not easy.
Yes, it is.
For some people, it's not.
I don't care. I'm talking about myself.
You talk about yourself in your mind.
No.
Because that's rude to other people. Like
I don't
me.
care. You be rude to me. I be rude to you. That is what siblings life.
Yeah, sure.
That's how siblings life works.
That's true.
She hits me with a skipping rope, and I don't forgive her the rest of my life.
What? I hate you with this.
And then she pretends to not know.
No, Vera, I actually don't know.
I don't care. I hit the button.
I'm gonna hit you now. I'm gonna hit you right now.
I don't care.
Why in this video are you saying I don't care so much?
Because I want to. But the windows aren't broken. How do we fix them if they're not broken? Oh, okay, they're broken. I'll stay near this window.
Oh my god, I don't want to. Why?
Okay, oh wait, something's flooding. Guys, it's flooding. It's flooding!
I don't want to break window.
Oh, it's flooding. It's flooding. Oh, it's flooding.
Oh, we are really.
We're gonna die. Okay, guys, I hope you had such a good time with us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.